In 2017, after a meritorious and well-organized bidding process, Rodnab Construction Limited emerged winner and was duly awarded the contract for the completion of the Nddc Permanent Headquarters building, in line with the Procurement Act of the Nddc Governing Board and for the approval of the Federal Executive Council.
First of all, we want to thank the people of Niger Delta for believing in local content, for giving us the opportunity to showcase our skill. We came into this project in 2018, 2017-2018.
Rodnab Construction Limited, incorporated over a decade ago, is an indigenous construction company registered under the CAMA laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, with specialty in designs, engineering, project management and construction. The company is promoted by Mr. Abu Mi Patton, an Edo State-born indefatigable entrepreneur, as the chairman and chief executive officer.
It's an indigenous company. We came into existence in 2012 and we have been doing the business of construction.
The company quickly set her objectives, rolling with numerous projects across the country.
We participated in a lot of meaningful projects in the country.
Having executed and delivered top-notch projects in line with global best practices across the country, such as erosion control works awarded by Cross River Basin Development Authority, construction of the popular South African retailer stores ShopRite in different locations in Nigeria, construction of AHR Limited Livecam in Idato, Edo State, maintenance works for Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation NNPC floating stations, construction of 45 billion naira tank farm in Cross River State, construction of a 10-kilometer road in Ahoda, River State of Nigeria, design and construction of Diamond Luxury Estate, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, dredging and reclamation of the Bakassi waterways for the African Nations Development Program, reconstruction and maintenance of 4-star Cumberland Hotel in Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria, and numerous other projects. Tone was set for the Nddc Permanent Headquarters completion project. The Nddc Permanent Headquarters, which is situated in a beautiful, magnificent scenery, has a 13-story ace edifice in the heart of Eastern Bypass, Port Harcourt, and did not just come alive without its hurdles, planning, and long years of execution. The building construction, having suffered setback for over 2 decades before being re-awarded to Rodnab, had the first task of optimizing a 20th century building to a new age 21st century abode befitting the good people of the Niger Delta region of Nigeria and the commission for a fruitful official accommodation. According to the managing director of Rodnab, Mr. Ozam Gaffa, who described the project as massive and one of the most challenging for the company.
We had a lot of challenges, both engineering-wise and nature-wise. The pandemic was also part of the major challenges we have. So if we're talking about engineering challenges, the history of the project is known. The project was designed a while ago, and then when we came into board, we were working, and then we noticed that most of the functionality of the design of the building will not be able to meet up to this maybe 21st century standard. So we had to optimize the design, and we worked alongside with the consultants and the clients to be able to have approvals. We brought up ideas, and then we worked on the design optimization, and then we discussed with the consultants and the client, in which we all agreed it was a good idea, and from there we had to commence.
According to the chairman, Mr. Abu Mi Patton, the optimized Nddc headquarters building, a signature project carefully crafted and delivered with recent engineering measures by Rodnab Construction Limited, is handed in its best form to the people of Niger Delta.
Also, we believe that Niger Delta deserve the best, and we have to give them the best, and that is what we have done here.
The main 13-story building, which embodies a stream of 21st century modern equipment, fittings and finishing has, among other facilities, 4 elevators, 2-way escalators, HVAC system, fire hydrant prevention systems, access control and security systems, cutting-edge surface finishing with modern materials on the ceilings, walls and floors. Standing tall in the midst of the ancillary and other buildings in the compound, the scenery of the well-landscaped environment cannot be unnoticed. The Nddc headquarters is home to one adorned with exterior beautification, adequate car parking and control system, as well as appropriate kept walkways and a well-designed traffic flow system. Commenting on the project completion, Rodnab's Director of Special Duties, Engineer Okere Okachukwu, emphasized on their road to success with plausible commendations on the sterling qualities of the company's chairman, whose visionary leadership and effective management has been a source of encouragement to galvanize a team that delivered this wonderful edifice.
Relating directly with the workers and where the staffs are really in charge and they're in control. And that's why you see so much improvement, so much is going on. If you look around, you see activities going on. Everybody is not happy with Rodnab. So all the directors of Nddc, most directors and staff of Nddc, they're satisfied with the way work is going on.
He further maintained that Mr. Abu is a leader that carries everybody along to achieve any goal.
He's such a person you can call at any time. Just when you have a managing director, there's an accessibility, all the workers, all the management staff, they could have access to him. And he has a listening ear. He's ready to fight you until you convince him.
Rodnab's General Manager, Mr. Victor Ikyoda, having impressed on the project, recalled the exciting major phases of the construction process, informing that his greatest joy would be to drive past the Eastern Bypass someday soon with such remarkable reminder that he was an integral part of the team that delivered such a global project.
I want in the next 10, 15, 20 years, which by His grace, I will be alive, that I drive through this place and I will look at this place and say, yes, I was part of this edificial structure in Rivers State and in Nigeria and in the Niger Delta, which I am from. So I feel very elated that I am part of this project, and I will forever be grateful to God for being part of this project.
With over 200 personnel of staff, a head office in Abuja, and branches in Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Uyo, Mr. Victor reiterated that Rodnab as a group is an upward trajectory and that their vision remains unwavering and they are very resolute to exceeding their current limit to competing with any construction company at any level in the nearest future. On his appreciation, the chairman of the construction giant, Mr. Abu, expressed his appreciation to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, for trusting an indigenous company to handle a tasking project such as the Nddc permanent headquarters. He also thanked the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Gaswil Akpabio, for his uncommon leadership and his continuous urge to develop the region rapidly. Mr. Abu further thanked the sole administrator of Nddc, staff of the commission, stakeholders in the region, interest groups, opinion leaders, youths, and the entire people of the Niger Delta for their support and trust to bring the project to bear. He further assured that Rodnab will not only continue to deliver global standard projects, but will remain committed to delivering on her corporate social responsibility (CSR), which the company is known for. Overseeing the relationship between the host community and the construction company, the CLO, Mr. Ibiginachin E. Kalio, extended his kudos to Rodnab for giving the company the opportunity to improve the environment as well as contributing to the well-being of the indigenes. On the mark of excellence, Rodnab Construction Limited has been commended by all and sundry for a job well done. From the palace of the Amayanabo of Kirike, His Royal Highness King T.E.O. Ogube, J.P., Air Commodore Retired, Ogube I, the Perekunle Kingoli I, The king, who is the custodian of the Rivers State customs and traditions, extolled Rodnab for excellent delivery, describing the completed Nddc headquarters as a magnificent edifice, and praised the professionalism of Rodnab in delivering the project.
I am thanking the authorities of Nddc for a well-done job in building this magnificent edifice, and we are proud of it.
From the host community where the Nddc headquarters is situated, the head of Lolo Ama community, Chief Ako Uro Tobin, hailed Rodnab Construction Limited for finally delivering the Nddc headquarters project, which he is hopeful will breathe new life and development into the community. He further praised Rodnab for peaceful coexistence and advised their client Nddc to borrow a leaf in that direction from Rodnab.
To sincerely, the community have been supportive of the constitution. We never have any issues. This project is like getting part of our purpose. Not just people of Lolo, the entire Niger region. I appreciate Rodnab. We engage our briefs from one thing or the other, keep them easy to know. There's nothing we know from them that they don't do for us. When we go to them, they employ our people. They employ our briefs. For any kind of, if you want to be here and strong enough to carry block, want to be a nurse, want to be a deliverer, whatever you want to do. Besides them, for 2028.
And what we have done today, our records speak for us.